Welcome back to our channel, the place where we tackle the latest tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you've ever bumped into that frustrating message saying a website is blocked by your administrator, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to bypass these blocks in 2024 with two effective methods. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future tech insights. Let's get started. Our first method involves using a VPN or virtual private network. A VPN allows you to connect to the internet via a server run by a VPN provider. This marks your actual IP address and encrypts your internet connection, making it look like you're accessing the web from a different location. Here's how to do it. First, choose a reputable VPN service. There are many options out there, including both free and paid services. Select a VPN, download and install the application on your device. After installing, open the application and log in. Select a server in a location where the website you want to access isn't blocked. Hit connect and just like that, you're surfing the web with a new IP address. And it's as simple as that. With a VPN, not only you can unlock websites, but you also ensure your browsing is private and secure. Now on to our second method. Method 2 is using a web proxy. A web proxy works similarly to a VPN by rerouting your internet connection. It doesn't require installing any software, making it a quick and easy option. Here's how it works. Go to the web proxy site. Once there, you'll see a search bar. Type in the URL of the website you want to unblock and hit go or the equivalent button. The proxy site will then redirect you to the website, bypassing any blocks in place. Remember, while web proxies are convenient, they don't offer the same level of privacy and security as VPNs. And there you have it, two straightforward methods to unlock websites in 2024. Whether you choose a VPN for its security benefits or the simplicity of a web proxy, you can now access the content you need without restrictions. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.